What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 reasons why you should become a P&C Property and Casualty Insurance Agent. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Sakha. Over the last 6 years, I started and scaled an insurance agency, a captive insurance agency, to over $11 million in agency premium. If you'd like to learn how to become successful as an insurance agent or agency owner, check out the description below. You can check out my course as well as other resources to help you become successful. Also, be sure to follow me on my social media platforms. Let's get started. So the first reason why you should become a P&C insurance agent is that by law, everybody needs our product, which makes it the best product in the world. Think about auto insurance. By law, if you are caught driving without insurance, you can get into a lot of trouble. You can get fined by the DMV. And so by law, you have to have this product. If you own a house, you are contractually, by the finance company, forced to have home insurance on your home. And so we offer products that are required to have and which make it the best product to sell. Now, just because people are required to have our product, that doesn't make it easy. In this industry, you're going to have to become a skilled salesperson to be able to communicate the value, to be able to educate people on why they must have your product. Now, but still, our product is better than every other product in the world. Think about it. If you are making a post on social media and say, hey, who needs an insurance quote? Everybody is typically going to need your product. Everybody wouldn't mind having an insurance quote to see if they could save money or to see if they can get something better, or maybe they hate their current insurance situation. If you are making cold calls, it's easy to call people and offer them a quote on insurance. Think about if you're cold calling people, vast majority of people that answer are going to be okay with you giving them an insurance quote because they're always looking to see if they could save some money. Now, if you are cold calling somebody and offering them vacation packages or timeshares or offering to sell them some sort of skincare, that's going to be way harder of a sell than calling to quote people on their insurance. And so because of this reason, that's one of the best products to sell. I believe we sell the best product in the world. That is the first reason why you should become a P&C insurance agent. The second reason is that this industry gives you 6-figure earning potential. And so if you apply to work for a captive insurance agency or an independent insurance agency, 9 times out of 10, they're going to have a compensation plan that will allow you to make as much money as you would like to make. 6-figure plus opportunity. Now, on the downside, most compensation plans, if you are not a good insurance producer, you will make maybe 40, maybe 50 grand. So, but what I'm saying is that you have the opportunity. It's just going to depend on your work ethic. And so we're talking about an industry where you can get a simple license. I think it's really easy to get insurance licensed. And just like that, no 4-year degree, no 2-year degree, no other pre-qualifications except getting your insurance license and finding a good insurance opportunity, you can earn 6 figures in selling a product that most of the world needs by law. And so that is the second reason why you should become a P&C insurance agent. The third reason to become a P&C insurance agent is that there are opportunities to grow. There are opportunities to grow within the agency that you're working in, or maybe becoming a claims adjuster or working on the corporate side, or the best, becoming an agency owner and starting your own insurance agency where if you have that entrepreneurial DNA, you can build a massive business that allows you freedom, that will earn residuals off of renewals, and you can build an amazing team and build a machine that will allow you to do so much more in life. Now, if that's not you and you just want to grow within an agency, that's what this opportunity allows you to do. Now, what I would say is the average insurance agency owner is not building a massive business. When I started out, to give you perspective, it was just me and a few salespeople, okay? And then from there, I built a service team as we scaled and needed these clients to be serviced. And then I added telemarketers. And now we've grown, we have scaled, and now I need an operations manager. I have a sales manager, I have a service manager, and this is going to continue to become a specialized business the bigger we grow. And so this has taken me 6 years to get to this point, so it's not like you can go apply to just any insurance agency. You will need to find the right insurance agency to be able to grow within. However, the opportunity to start your own agency is always there, as long as you have the right leader that is willing to train you and is selfless enough to allow you to grow into that position. I will say that not every agency owner is going to be that amazing. However, most will. And so as long as you speak that, as long as you tell them what your goal is, if you want to become an agency owner, hopefully they can show you the ropes and show you how to get there. But you can also reference all of my stuff here on YouTube, and I will show you the way as well. The fourth reason to become a P&C insurance agent is the office environment is not corporate-y. And for context, I was a 7-year banker. I was in banking for 7 years, and it was a very corporate environment, and I absolutely hated it. And so as an insurance agency that you apply to work with, they are small businesses. And so by working in a small business, you will have a culture of that's not very corporate-y. Now, I'm not saying I'm not going to speak for all agencies, but most of them will have their own identity, their own culture, and it won't be so corporate-y. And if you've worked in corporate, you know what I'm talking about. I couldn't stand walking into the corporate building of, working in banking. I couldn't stand, the politics and all that other stuff involved. And so you will not have to deal with a corporate environment for the most part. Most insurance agencies are a small business and independently owned and operated. And so if you're working for the right agency owner, hopefully they have fostered a great office culture and one that you would enjoy working in. And the last reason that you should become a P&C insurance agent is that this industry, the insurance industry as a whole, is recession proof. As long as cars are on the road, as long as homes are being financed, there is going to be a need for our product. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, what about when cars are driverless and robots take over? Is there going to be a need for insurance? And yes, I'm not going to rule out that industries can be disrupted. It happens. The closer we get to the future, more industries are getting disrupted. However, insurance is one that I just don't anticipate that happening for at least another 20 to 30 to 40 years, which leaves a huge opportunity until then. Teslas are out now, and Teslas are self-driving, but they still have a lot of issues. It is going to take a long time for the process of elimination of all the old existing cars and drivers to be eliminated off of the road. And so this business is recession proof. And I will reference the year 2020 when the world was going crazy and there was that health crisis and all that stuff. We got busier during that time. We actually wrote more business during that time. And in the current, depending on when you're watching this video, it's the year 2022, we're in for some turbulence economically. I think that, the next couple years are going to be rough. However, I'm not worried about it because the insurance industry is bulletproof. It is recession proof. If anything, we get stronger during these times. Yes, will less people make their payments on their policies? Yes, you're going to get that. However, for the most part, this is a bulletproof industry, an industry that you can still make money in any economic cycle. And so those are the 5 reasons why you need to become a P&C insurance agent. I hope you got some value out of this video. Please do me a favor, smash the like button and follow me and subscribe if you haven't already yet. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.